Where are the strong and healthy seeds in an inflorescence? Every farmer knows that the spike begins flowering from the midpoint, so the most biologically valuable seeds are formed there. However, when harvested, the best grains from the middle of the year are mixed with other grains and lost in the mixed mass. How do you withdraw the best grain? Technology exists which can separate the high-yielding seeds from the lesser seeds. AEROMEH has embodied this technology, its SAD seed separator. The SAD sorts the seeds on the weight of the grain into 5 tiers. Tier 1, seeds with a heavy impurity. Tier 4 to 5, these are crushed in 6 seeds. Tier 2 to 3, these are the seeds with the highest specific weight and yield potential. Sowing seeds which have been selected by AEROMEH's specialist SAD seed separator leads to a significant increase in sprout when compared to traditional technologies and methods. With the help of SAD separator, it is also easy to clean the seeds. Now you can get great seeds for sowing and increase your harvest. AEROMEH's SAD seed separator removes identified sick seeds from the batch and disinfects them, making your production environmentally friendly. The separators are multi-purpose, easy to set up, and the best in market for its price and quality. The model range of separators suits the needs of small farmers through to large grain processors. This is Ukrainian patented cultivation, which has no analogs in the world. Join us, become successful, and we can help you grow. Order our separators by phone or through our website